absolutely chaotic busy day. So basically we're on a big road trip from Whistler Village. So right now we're in Squamish and we're going to hike up the Chief Mountain, and then after that we're going to go to Joffrey Lake. So going to be a busy day, but it'll be good. This is a hard hike, really tough, but views are definitely worth it. Okay, so we just made it to the top of Second Peak, and now we're heading all the way back down. So we're back home again from that hike. Oh my god, that was literally the toughest hike I've ever done in my entire life. I mean, the start of it was quite easy, there was a lot of incline, obviously, because you're climbing up a big mountain, but basically then it got to a point where you were scrambling on rocks and you were hanging onto a chain over a cliffside to keep yourself on, and it was really tough. But yeah, the hike was really tough, but seriously worth it for the views. It was beautiful up at the top, so I'm glad I done it. And there were times where I questioned why I was doing it in the first place, and there was times I got really nervous because of the height. But it's not a hike for the faint-hearted, but if you push yourself, it's seriously worth it. There's definitely one thing I did learn from this hike, and that is never ever go on a tough hike with new boots that you haven't broken in yet. Because seriously, you will pay for it. But anyway, it was a great day out altogether. So if you're interested in doing this hike, I think it's called the Stawamus Chief. Butchered the name, I'm sorry. But it's not too far from Squamish, and it is such a good hike, and it's definitely a challenge. If you really want to challenge yourself, definitely check it out. I really hope you enjoyed this video, so if you did, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and also don't forget to hit subscribe as well. I recently hit 80 subscribers, so I am thrilled, and I'm really hoping to get to 100 by the end of the year, so help me out here. You can also follow me on social medias if you want any pictures or stories, things like that. I'm mainly active on Twitter and Instagram, so the links are down below. You can also join my Facebook page as well. I want to get back on track with that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.